When it comes to investing, there are numerous avenues to explore. But two of the most prominent options are real estate and mutual funds. Let's delve into the world of real estate. It's often seen as a lucrative investment opportunity. But it comes with its own set of challenges. High investment. Real estate demands a substantial initial investment, often out of reach for many. Cost. Additional expenses such as stamp duty, registration fees, and maintenance costs can add up significantly. Returns. Despite the promise of high returns, the average yield for the past 10 years was a modest 7 to 8%. Diversification. With real estate, diversification is limited due to the large size of investments. Professional management. Real estate lacks the oversight and professional management seen in mutual funds. Liquidity. Selling property can be a lengthy and cumbersome process, leading to illiquidity. Now, let's shift our focus to mutual funds, a popular choice among investors. Here's why they stand out. Low entry. Mutual funds allow for investments as low as $500, making it accessible to all. Cost effective. With fewer overheads, mutual funds entail lower costs compared to real estate. Returns. Historical data indicates higher average returns, with the Sensex yielding around 16% annually. Diversification. Investors can easily diversify their portfolio across various funds, mitigating risks. Professional management. Managed by seasoned professionals with dedicated research teams, ensuring optimal performance. Liquidity. Mutual funds offer easy liquidation within a few working days, providing flexibility to investors. While real estate has its allure, the advantages of mutual funds, including accessibility, diversification, and professional management, make them a compelling choice for savvy investors. At the crossroads stands Wealth Munshi, your trusted guide through the intricacies of investment. Our seasoned advisors craft personalized strategies, mapping your financial journey with precision. As our journey nears its end, remember that the art of investment lies not just in choosing the right path, but in navigating it wisely. With Wealth Munshi by your side, you'll tread with confidence and clarity, empowered to make informed decisions in the ever-evolving landscape of investments. Ready to embark on this journey? Reach out to Wealth Munshi today, and let's shape your financial future together.